Hello, wonderful listeners, and welcome back to English Spark. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so excited you've decided to tune in today. How are you all doing? I hope you're having a fantastic week. In today's episode, we're going to keep things simple, practical, and super useful. We'll be diving into some essential English phrases that you can start using right away in your everyday conversations. These are the kinds of phrases that will make you sound more natural and feel more confident when you speak English. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get ready to learn together. Are you ready? Let's begin. All right, our first phrase is a fantastic alternative to just saying you're welcome. It's no worries. We use this a lot in casual situations. Imagine a friend thanks you for holding the door open for them. Instead of the standard, you're welcome, you can simply say, no worries. It sounds friendly, relaxed, and very natural. It's like saying, it was no trouble at all. Let's try it together. I'll say thank you, and you can respond. Ready? Thank you so much for your help. Great. Now, let's practice the pronunciation. Repeat after me. No worries, no worries. One more time, no worries. Excellent. You can also use it if someone apologizes for a small mistake. For example, if someone bumps into you accidentally and says, I'm so sorry, you can smile and say, no worries, to show that it's okay. It's a really versatile and friendly phrase. Moving on to our second phrase of the day. How's it going? Okay. This is a very common and informal way to ask, how are you? You'll hear this everywhere, from the coffee shop to the office. When you see a friend or a colleague, instead of the more formal, how are you? You can greet them with a cheerful, hey, how's it going? It just has a more relaxed vibe. And how do you answer? You can say, it's going well, thanks. Or pretty good. How about you? Let's practice asking the question. Repeat after me. How's single quotes s.it? How's it going? Notice how we often blend the words together, so it sounds more like how's it going? Let's try it again, a bit faster. How's it going? Perfect. It's a great way to start a conversation and show interest in the other person. Next up, we have a phrase you can use when you want to make a suggestion or a plan. The phrase is, how about? It's a gentle and polite way to propose an idea. For instance, if you and your friends are trying to decide what to do, you could say, how about we watch a movie tonight? Or how about we grab some pizza? It's much softer than saying, let's watch a movie. It invites the other person to share their opinion. Let's practice. Repeat after me. About holiday. How about? Now let's try it in a full sentence. Repeat after me. How about we go for a walk? How about we order takeout? Fantastic job. You can use this for almost any suggestion. It's a beautiful day. How about we have a picnic? See, it's simple and effective. Our fourth phrase is incredibly useful when you don't understand something. Instead of just saying I don't understand, which is perfectly fine but a bit direct, you can say, could you say that again, please? Or could you repeat that, please? This is a very polite and clear way to ask for clarification. It shows that you're engaged in the conversation and really want to understand. Let's break it down. Repeat after me. Could you say that again? Please. Could you say that again? Please. Now, let's try the other version. Could you repeat that? Please. Excellent. Using could and please makes your request very courteous. Don't ever be afraid to use this. It's much better to ask for repetition than to pretend you understand. Native speakers use this too when they miss something. Okay, Our final phrase for today is I'll catch you later. These is a fun, informal way to say goodbye. It's similar to see you later, but it has a very cool and casual feel. You can use it with friends, family, or close colleagues. As you're leaving, you can just wave and say, "All right, I'll catch you later." It implies that you'll see or talk to them again soon. Let's practice the pronunciation. The I'll is a contraction of I will. Repeat after me. I, single quotes, L dot, catch, you. I'll catch you later. Let's try it a bit faster, like you're really saying goodbye. I'll catch you later. Awesome. It's a friendly and positive way to end a conversation. Wow, that was great work, everyone. Time really flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? Let's do a quick recap of the 5 fantastic phrases we learned today. First, when someone thanks you, instead of "you're welcome," you can say "no worries." Second, to ask someone how they are in a casual way, you can ask ... How's it going? Third, when you want to make a friendly suggestion, you can start with how about. Fourth, if you need someone to repeat something, you can politely ask, "Could you say that again, please?" And finally, for a cool and casual way to say goodbye, you can use "I'll catch you later." 5 simple phrases, but they can make a huge difference in your daily English conversations. They'll help you sound more natural, more confident, and more like a native speaker. And now, for your challenge. This week, I want you to try and use at least one of these phrases in a real conversation. 2. If you don't have a chance to speak with someone in English, you can practice by yourself. You could even write a short dialogue in the comments section below, using one or more of the phrases. For example, "Hey Maria, how's it going? How about we grab a coffee later?" Sounds great. See you then. K. I'll catch you later. Your mission is to actively use what you've learned. Practice is the key to progress, and I know you can do it. Thank you so much for joining me on English Spark today. I had a wonderful time with you all. I hope you found this episode helpful and feel motivated to continue your English learning journey. Remember, every little step counts. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next lesson. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more content for all of you. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.